Okay, guys. So this is Meera and Sharika from last year's 10th standard CBSE, and they're going to tell us some jokes.
No, reading a speech.
Oh, they're going to do a speech. That's even better. Good.
Okay. This speech is meant to be funny. Laugh or you'll have to write the analysis again. Okay, I read a fun fact the other day about penguins and polar bears. Even though normally they don't meet each other, if they do, after the first attack, penguins would know to be afraid and the panic would spread throughout the crowd. In this scenario, we are the penguins and Rishi sir is the polar bear. On a side note, learners is also remarkably resembled the Arctic because how goddamn cold it was. We could almost hear the AC sigh, and the tittering of teeth and the shivering of feet made everyone put a jacket on. Even in the 40-degree weather. Speaking of summer, let's turn our attention to the infamous summer batches, which included 6 hours of studying, which were spent laughing, talking, and giggling, and the next 2 hours were spent crying, whining, and pleading sir to go home. Only the brave would dare to ask, and if they weren't there, the weak would be forced to ask. Even though our training was tough, we did get breaks, which was a hike in customers for Paradise Sweets, to whom we are eternally grateful for the endless supply of cokes and ice cream. One of the most memorable parts of those breaks was in fact sprinting back to the class in order to not reach late. Those who did were punished mercilessly as those extra 2 hours became 4. I'm sure Nitya would validate that for us. Yeah. She's not here today, but I think she deserves the mention. Speaking of punishment, we should use this time to talk about the analysis we were so cruelly made to write. If we were above 70 in the test series, we wouldn't have to write them. And for most of us, that meant writing all 8 analyses. Getting 60 was an achievement, but getting 70 was like a gift from God, a gift that sadly many of us did not receive. Fighting for the marks was also a daily activity. I'm sure everyone remembers Radhesh sitting in class for 2 hours, scouting for even half a mark. His efforts, however, were in vain as he was made to sit and write the analysis with the rest of us. We hope that getting this recognition in this speech is consolation enough for you. Apart from sitting in learners for that long, a large portion of our time was spent sitting on the stairs, mentally preparing for the tests. The stairs was a place where many bonds were formed and many friendships were crafted, especially that 1 or 2 times sir came late to class. Now let's suddenly segue over to the victims of Rishi sir. To start, let's talk about his favorite, Kunal, or Kunnu, as sir would say affectionately. Affectionately, Kunal was made to stand with a plank in his hands for 30 minutes. We all looked at him and laughed silently as to not suffer the same fate as him. His watch, along with his dignity, was taken away for several months. The watch was returned, the dignity was not. Sir's second favorite victim was Amu, who is sitting right there. He was also scolded mercilessly. Now, to subtly segue again, let's appreciate the teachers of learners. To Preeti ma'am, we are infinitely grateful for teaching us carbon and its compounds dozens of times. It is truly the only reason we've passed. Now, for the main character, or the protagonist of the Learners Academy, the one and only Rishi sir. We would like to emphasize that he is truly overqualified to be teaching us. He has taught us a lot of things, among which are the value of time, and he has also tried to make learning fun. He was basically our savior. One incident is when, to teach us trigonometry, sir gave us an example of one of our classmates looking up at his girlfriend, who was on the top of a building. This was to teach us the angle of elevation. After seeing that she was Kunal's girlfriend, though, she promptly leaped off. Thank you for dealing with us. Goodbye.
Okay, guys, so this is Shlok. He is going to do some roasting. Give a big round of applause for him.
शुड आई सर? ओके, कोई आईपीएल देखता है यहाँ पे?
मैं नहीं देखता, सब देखते।
कोई एमआई का फैन है यहाँ पे? आ जाओ, एमआई के फैन आ जाओ। क्या चल रहा है एमआई के साथ अभी? कुछ कहना चाहते हो एमआई के बारे में? मैं बोलता हूँ, ये एमआई के जो फैंस होते हैं ना, ये बेसिकली रोहित शर्मा के फैंस होते हैं।
नहीं भाई, मैं तो नहीं हूँ।